Good morning and greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. It's almost afternoon. I was busy this morning, but now I'm starting to do a little redecorating. As you can see, Jane Eyre, who no longer has really any air plants other than the Spanish moss, but I moved her over here. I think I'm gonna have to move the camel though. I'm gonna like redo this whole area. I think I'm gonna redo some of the pillows too. If you guys remember when we went on that house, like when we went touring those model homes, I saw that one house that had like lots of pink accents, and I was very inspired by that. So I kind of want to do something here, and I do have a couple kind of pink pillows, so we'll see how it looks. We'll try it out, but like probably not till later because we're gonna get rid of everything else here first. So right now I really like her right there. I feel like she looks really pretty. Sorry some of the pillars are squished, like the kids have just been like jumping around everywhere, and yes, I know it's still wrinkly, but we can't deal with that right now. But I just want to like change out a bunch of stuff. I got a bunch of storage containers that are gonna go outside, and got some orange soda. They're only $2.88 if you buy 5 packs at Albertsons, which is a deal. This orchid only has a couple of like this side of like the flowers left. This stem is almost gone, and then this one is like all gone. So I don't know what we're gonna do with this guy right now, but yeah. So it still looks pretty good outside, still pretty clean. And if you can see back there, I already put like a bunch of our like pool stuff in containers, and I'm gonna turn this into a coffee station, I think. Hopefully the coffee like machine thing will fit on there. Otherwise I have another thing that I think I might try. But I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put all the food tomorrow. I think I'm actually gonna bring out a table, put it here, move the kids' table somewhere else. I'm gonna move some of the furniture, I think, that's out here. I think I might leave this like that, but I think I'm gonna move some of that stuff, and I'm gonna move the dining table into here. Excuse the mop. Oh, by the way, this bin mop is amazing. But out here, the pillows are a mess. But we were just cleaning all of the furniture, and now it's like gliming. It's shiny, shimmering, splendid, as Aladdin and Princess Jasmine would say. But I think I might bring that table into here, and then move that furniture into the back, because I think I want to make this like an eating area, especially because it's not so, it doesn't get windy in this little area that's in like the little courtyard, whereas out there it gets like really, really windy sometimes. So if it gets windy tomorrow, this will be like a good spot to eat. Plus there's the fountain, and I love hearing the fountain too. So that is pretty much the plan for right now. So I'll give you one last look at the house before I switch it up. Again, don't mind the mess, I'm so sorry. Everything's just like everywhere at the moment. Also, I'm loving this thing. I just really need to get a disco ball that fits onto there. So I remember when I found one at the Goodwill not too long ago, and like I regret not buying it because it would be the perfect size. I remember it was smaller than that one. It was like tiny, but the Sphero kind of works, especially when you turn it on. There's the sun, and it changes color. Actually, I can just set it on the phone. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of like the plan right now. I also want to zhuzh up this area since I had to move Jane Eyre, so we're just gonna redo a couple things. So it's gonna be. Do you remember this? Why is like the color awful? This bowl. Okay, do you guys remember this bowl? Like, it's amazing, right? It did have like these like marks on it, and I'm able to like kind of get them out. I don't know, it's like focusing. Can you see how like there's like a couple spots where it's come out? Okay, so I tried different things. I tried my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, did not work. I just used plain soap and stuff, did not work. But I used like, I don't know what kind of sponge this is that mom bought, but it works. So I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, do you see it now? You can see that there's like kind of like some gray stuff, right? Like it's totally still there. Okay, let's see if I can get them all out. Okay guys, so I don't really show my room too often, but I'm cleaning it up right now, and I'm thinking about changing out this coffee table that I have down here and putting it upstairs, because upstairs we have that big ottoman in the loft, and I think I just don't want it to get ruined by the kids. Because I feel like they just like spill like stuff on it and mess it up. And this, like, it's stone, it's cool. We can't really mess it up too much, right? So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put the other one in storage for the time being, and then I'm gonna put something else in my room, which is gonna be this guy. So we'll see what happens. There's a baby under my table.
Oh, apple ears.
What happened, baby?
Apple ears.
Oh.
Apple ears.
You what? Hey guys, okay, so right now I am outside. It's really, really windy, but I'm right here and I'm going to be frying up some chicken wings. Let me turn this around so you guys can see it. This is like Filipino adobo style. I think it's adobo, I don't know, but it's the marinade is pretty much salt, pepper, tons of garlic, and vinegar. That's it. And this has marinated overnight and just kept in the fridge. And right now I'm getting this to 375. Then we're just gonna fry them until they're golden brown. It's gonna be delicious. I'm cooking outside because it's gonna be really smelly inside the house. And I'm using this instead of like the pan because it's really windy. So the fire is just gonna get blown out or something. So this is perfect. It'll control the heat, but the smell will stay outside, which is perfect. Not that fried chicken smells bad, because you know it's delicious. You just don't want the whole house to smell like fried chicken. But it's so windy, but it's so beautiful outside right now. And my frog keeps getting pushed over or flipped out of the pool. Now he's upside down right there. So the little noodle's still in there though, which is good. But look how beautiful it is today. It is so gorgeous. It's supposed to be a lot colder though tomorrow. So I think it's gonna be like 74 degrees. So it's gonna be a little bit colder. Today was like in the 90s, I think. So it's gonna be considerably colder tomorrow. Definitely no pool. Not that we were going to, because there's gonna be too many people for that. But yeah, so right now I'm just out here waiting for this to heat up and we're gonna cook, and I'm super excited because I haven't had this fried chicken in so long and it's so delicious. Oh, also, look at that. We brought that one plant. Can you guys see it? It's like right there. You probably can't, but the patio, we moved the furniture around, looks so much better. But I still definitely want to get some pieces for out there because I want to make it like cozy. I want to get like a little seating, like a little eating area up there for them. But I wanted to like do it all thrifted, so that's gonna be like my summer project to do that. Alright guys, got the first batch of chicken in the fryer. Listen for this sizzle. Oh, that sounds so good. Yum. Alright guys, are you ready for some deliciousness? What? That looks so good. Oh my Lanta. I'm so excited. Gonna flip that onto there. Oh, gorgeous deliciousness. Lizo came out, now he's watering the... Are you watering the flowers, baby? Oh, wow. Oh, he's like literally watering the flowers. Alright guys, I'm a couple batches in. The fried chicken looks so good. Frying some more. Still have a lot to go, so yum. Hey guys, okay, so we had dinner and now I'm like oily from like running around. But okay, so if you guys remember my little bar cart situation, I used to have, excuse like the food and stuff, but I had that stuff on there and I wanted to make it a coffee station for tomorrow. So I have this is our giant coffee dispenser that we break out during our little fiestas, and my problem was it was too low, like the thing. So now I actually thrifted this from the Goodwill. Like everything here is thrifted from the Goodwill except for this. We've had this for like a bajillion years, but thrifted this. This is a candle, like a candle stand. You can put like candles on there, and it's Mercari glass from Pottery Barn, which is awesome. So now, like, look at this. Like the cups fit perfectly. I have my little blue and white tray, which fits my cups, the lids, and creamer and sugar perfectly. And then I had one thing because that's gonna drip. It's inevitable. It's always going to. Like, it's as careful as people are. So this is actually from the bottom of a butter dish that I thrifted. The top, I have it back in the cabinet, but put that down there and it's like absolutely perfect. It'll catch the drips. It'll be down there. It's not going to get on the glass, and it has like a lip. So unless someone spills a lot, I think it's going to be a-okay down there. So there's a little setup. I might change the bottom a little bit still too, or I might just leave it because I'm getting a little lazy. But there's our little coffee station, which I really like. I really wanted to think of like a place where we can put the coffee, because before we would have it like in other random places, and I really wanted it on this bar cart, but my problem was the little lip. So now if it's on here like perfectly, I feel like I just need a little decoration or something, right? Let's think of something. Hold on. Okay, this is kind of what I came up with. I put that thin vase with the orchids in it. Still a little iffy. We'll see. I don't know if I like it yet. Probably not though. I think I need to find something else. Alright you guys, so this is a hot mess already, but if you remember I had that leather ottoman right here. Switching it out, and I'm gonna layer this rug with this one that I thrifted from the Goodwill for $20. This one's a square rug, so it's gonna fit like kind of just like in this space, and I'm gonna like have like a little layer of the natural fiber rug sticking out. So hopefully it's gonna look good. It's gray, so it's gonna go with like the motif. Alright you guys, I'm totally feeling the rug. I don't know if you guys can see the vision, but I love it. Alright, it's coming together. I'm liking it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy. The table looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am really excited. So if it still looks a little janky, I just need to fix it up some more. And yeah, but how does that look? It's such a big transformation, right? It's so much lighter. It looks fantastic. I'm very happy. Come on, Mom.
Wow.
I redid it. Look it. I put like the other carpet so that the kids don't get all linty. And then I moved a smaller coffee table and then a little chair thing.
Where's the other ones?
Hey guys, so I added just I moved those glasses down to the bottom. I brought out, so I got these fancy Evian waters. They're the glasses that Alexander Wang designed, and I got them from like a Mexican like 99-cent store, $1 store or something. So they were only $1 each, which is amazing. I have 4 of those. So this is like my little drink station at the moment, a coffee station. The drinks are going to be outside. And then here is kind of like the dessert thing. I'm a little close, but I don't want to go outside to film it. So this is kind of what this looks like right now. It's definitely going to be changing. I kind of just threw all this stuff on here for the moment, but yeah, it's a mess. So that's going to change in the morning once I figure out what other desserts are going to go on that table. But I moved Jane Eyre there. I also moved, this is one of my favorite plants, and it is a, man, I forgot what it's called. Okay, I don't remember what it's called, but it's kind of, it's a monstera, but it's the, like, it has different leaves. Look at those leaves. They're really, really cool. They were really long, and then Mom and I cut them, and I actually have the cuttings in some water that I kind of haphazardly threw in here, just to propagate them. I'm trying to find something else to put them in, but they're just in there for the time being. And then I just need to figure out what to do with this table. But I think I'm going to do this all in the morning because I'm pretty tired already, and I want to work on tomorrow's videos. I can get those up already and then get some rest. And then tomorrow I wake up bright and early because the party starts at 5 o'clock. So I have all day to kind of get the house ready still. And I have a lot of stuff I want to do outside. I did clean up, but I'm definitely going to be moving around some furniture. Like, this area is definitely going to change. I think I'm going to make this actual interior area like a sitting, like an area to eat. I'm going to bring in that table, and we're going to figure out something here. And yeah, because this is like, in this area it doesn't get windy, so when people are sitting, I don't want everyone, like, I don't want their food to blow away, is what it, oh, how funny, like how John put that. He just like put like one thing on each corner. Oh my gosh, he's so hilarious. Alright guys, so I'm in my room now, and I am so wiped out. I'm like pretty tired, and I'm still a little bit sweaty. I'm like glistening still for sure. But we got a lot of stuff done today, and I am very excited, and I cannot wait for tomorrow. So right now I'm going to get tomorrow's videos finished up and then uploaded so that they'll be up tomorrow and ready, and then I can go to sleep at a reasonable hour, and then tomorrow wake up bright and early and finish up the rest of the house. Also, oh, do you guys recognize this? If you guys know where it's from, let me down in the comments below, because I want to know if you guys remember what this piece. As a little hint, it came from somewhere else inside the house, and I kind of repurposed it. So, yeah, let me know if you guys know what it is. I think some of you guys will know, because some of you guys are really good, and I feel like you guys know like all my furniture. But yeah, so I'm going to end the video again. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video and a new thrifting video tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and a new vlog up at 2. Love you guys so much. See you guys later. Bye.